Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth "This device cannot start" code 10 error on your Windows PC. First, we will reinstall the Bluetooth driver. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, find and expand the Bluetooth section. You will see your Bluetooth adapter listed there. Right-click on your Bluetooth adapter and select Uninstall Device. After the process is complete, restart your computer. When your PC turns back on, Windows will automatically try to reinstall the Bluetooth driver. Wait a few moments and then check if Bluetooth is working. If the error still appears, we will change a power setting. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and restart your computer again. This should fix the code 10 Bluetooth error. If the issue is still there, we will run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and open Settings. Click on System, then click on Troubleshoot. After that, select Other Troubleshooters. Find Bluetooth in the list and click Run next to it. Let Windows scan and fix any problems it finds. That's it. Thanks for watching.